Hi students, welcome to the session on span of vector space. Before studying this concept, please refer my video on spanning set, then only you can understand what we are going to discuss in this video. Otherwise, it is very difficult for you. So please refer my video on spanning set. Okay, so let us see. Here I am going to solve the problems. For example, what is span of a single vector? Span of single vector v1. Right, so what is first span means if you are having if you are able to write given vectors as a linear combination of each vector, then that is called span of a vector. First we find what is span of single vector v1. So span of single vector v1 can be written as span v1. This set span of a single vector, that means your set has only one vector v1. So span of S, that is equal to span of v1. That's what we are going to find now. What is the span of single set? Right? Okay. If our set has only one vector, what will be the span? Okay, for example, our v1 may be 1 by 2. How can you represent this 1 by 2 in vector notation? You see here, right? So this is our vector, fine. So 1, right, like this. Okay, right. So here you see span of a vector is nothing but if you are able to write this vector as a linear combination, right? So linear combination span of v1 can be written as, we can write c1 v1. There is no v2, so a vector addition is not possible. Only this vector can be scaled. Span involves both linear combination. Span involves linear combination of vectors. Linear combination means vector addition and scalar multiplication. Here vector addition is not possible because we have only one vector. Only that vector can be multiplied by a scalar, so or scaled by a scalar. So this is the only thing. Span v1 is nothing but cv1, right? Okay, first I draw v1 is 1 2. Let us assume this is 1, this is 2, so this is what 1 by 2. So this is what my vector v1. Okay, right, draw properly. Oh, fine. So this is what my vector v1. Span means you should be able to write this is a linear combination. This C, this is what linear combination, CV1. This C may take any value. For example, C may be 0. 0 into V1, 0 only. So that is a 0 vector. That will be here, right? Okay, this C may take any value. So other combination is 2V1. 2V1 means 2 by 4. So X2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. X2, Y4. So 2 comma 4 means it will be here. So it will go like this, right? I can write another linear combination is minus V1, opposite. That is minus 1, minus 2. This is minus 1, minus 2. Here it will come like this, right? So you see, if you scale by any factor, that C take any value from 0 to minus infinity or 0 to plus infinity, they will form a straight line only. So this will be a straight line. The linear combination of the given vector will be straight line. Linear combination means you can go for 0 v1, 1 v1, 2 v1, minus 1 v1, minus 2. I take any value for C and combine all the things. That's what a linear combination, right? So I combined. So it will generate, what do you call, a straight line. So span of a single vector is a straight line, a line. It's just called line, a line in which it lies on, the vector lies on. So if you form a linear combination of single vector, it will form a straight line. Span of a single vector is a straight line. Very important conclusion for single vector. Suppose, for example, this has only one exception. If span 0 is also a one vector, we know. If span of a 0 vector will be 0 vector only. Because what is span of 0 vector? C into 0 vector. You put C any value, the resultant span will be 0. Because you see, this is what our 0 vector, right? C, you put C is equal to 0, 0 only. C is equal to 1, again 0 only. C is equal to 2, up to you put any value for C, minus 1, minus 2, anything you put, it will be a 0 only. So span of single vector is a straight line, right? Except span of 0 vector. Span of 0 vector is 0 vector only. This is what span of 0 vector C0. Linear combination of 0 vector. That will give 0 vector only. That is very important point. Next, we go for span of two vectors. Span of two vectors I can write as span v1, v2, right? This is span of two vectors, right? So how can we draw? You see, this is very simple to realize. Let us assume this is what let us assume two vectors. One vector is here. One vector is here v1, right? Let us have another vector v2 here. Okay. So span of v1, we know span of v1 is a straight line. So it will form a straight line. That we know. What about span of another vector v2? That will also form a straight line. If both are combined, okay. What will happen? If both the vectors are combined, what will happen? They will form a plane. Right? So this is going in this direction, this is going this direction. If you add any, say span of v1, v2 means c1 v1 plus c2 v2. That c1 may be anything, c2 may be any value. Right? If you add all the linear combination, what they will do? They will form a plane. Yes or no? Simply, right? This is the plane. This will entirely form a plane. Similarly, this side they will form a plane. This side they will cover a plane. Right? Single vector will form a straight line. This is only one straight line. This is what span of v1. This is what span of v2. This straight line is span of v2. If I combine, for example, one combination will be this, like this. This is what span of mv1 plus nv2, right? This may be, for example, this is another one. This is span of cv1 plus dv2, right? So if you add, this may be span of av1 plus bv2. That may be any number, a, b, v, b, any number. So they will form, if you combine all the things, this will be a plane. So what is the thing? Span of, conclusion is span of two vectors is a plane. Very important, right? This is the conclusion. Suppose if one of the vector is 0 vector, then span of two vectors is, what is the thing? It must be straight line. Why? Why? This is a simple concept. What is the reason? For example, this is what span of one vector v1. It will form a straight line, we know. Span of another vector is also straight line. But what is another vector I am telling? Span of one vector is 0 vector. So second vector is v2. This is 0 vector. We know span of 0 vector is 0 only. That now we know already. So remaining vector is v1 only. It is forming a straight line. So span of, if you are having two vectors, out of that, if one vector is 0 and another vector is v1, means it has no effect. It is like span of single vector. That is equal to, that will be, it will form a straight line only. Yes or no? Span of 0 vector is 0 only. It has no effect. Okay, similarly, if two vectors are in the same direction, if two vectors are in same direction, then span of two vectors is, what is the second thing? It is also straight line. Why? You see two vectors, I take v1 1 by 2. This is another vector v2 1 by 2. What's the meaning? These two are in the same direction. Yes or no? Otherwise you take 2 by 4. Right? So v1 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 will be like this. Yes or no? 1, 2, this is 2, 4. Let me write. This is what v1. What about v2? v2 is 2 by 4. This is 2, this is 4, 2 by 4. This is also, it will be also in the same direction. So two vectors are in the same direction. I told what is the span of two vectors? Span of two vectors, if the two vectors are in the same direction, here two vectors both are in the same direction, right? What is the thing? It will be forming a straight line only. Why? Span of v1, we know span of v1 will be a straight line. This blue line, blue will be going like this only. What about span of v2? That is also straight line. So both are in the same direction means both will form a same straight line only. When they will form a plane, if one vector in this direction, one vector in another direction, then only they will form a plane. If two vectors in the same direction, they will form a straight line only. That is another important point. Next point, if two vectors in opposite direction, span of v1, v2 is again straight line only. Why? You see, let us take two vectors, v1, 1 by 2, v2 must be opposite to v1. That means -1, -2. So two vectors in opposite direction. Yes, you see how, let me draw here. What is v1? 1, 2, 1, 2. This is v1. This is in this direction. What about v2? -1, -2. This is -1, this is -2. So -1, -2 will be here. So v1 and v2 are opposite direction. v1 is going in this direction, v2 is in this direction. What about span of v1? Span of single vector is straight line. What about span of v2? That is also straight line. So what is the span of v1 plus v2? Together they form a straight line only. So span of v1 plus v2 means cv1 plus c2 v2. c1 v1 plus c2 v2. If I combine all the things, this will form a straight line from here to here. So it will go this line and v2 will go this side. If we combine both the things, they will again form a straight line. Right? I hope you understand this concept clearly. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. I will clarify. Thank you.